Modern men, especially young men, have fallen into this mindset of needing to pursue women. They put them on this pedestal, something that they need to chase. And when you're chasing something, that means it's running away. Like when you're playing tag when you were young during recess, you chase the person to catch them. They don't come to you. And men have fallen into this trap of considering women to be better than them, out of their league. And even if that's the case, the man decides that he should chase her and pursue her instead of leveling up to the point where she will be just as interested in him as he is in her, which is really what you want to be at. And young men, teenagers, young 20s, even myself, in my I'm 27 now, but in my younger 20s, is I would spend so much time chasing girls at bars, at clubs, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that, but there's a big difference between chasing a girl and pursuing a woman. When you chase a woman, she's escaping you. When you're pursuing a woman, she's just as interested in you as you are in her. And when you chase, it's distracting you from what's more important, which is your mission and your purpose as a man, which should always be at the forefront of your life. And instead of wasting all your time chasing these women, if you put that into your goals, into finding your purpose, into your mission, the law of attraction will attract the right woman to you. Does that mean you still don't have to pursue her? No, you still have to pursue women. She's not necessarily just going to walk right up to you. But when she gets to know who you are, when you pursue her, she's going to be just as interested in you as you are in her. And that's really what you want. And when you focus more on yourself, when you focus on improving physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally, the right woman will come. And you'll know because it will feel right, because she gives you the attention and the affection that you've been looking for when you chase these women. If a woman makes you feel like you're on the back burner, stop what you're doing. You need to get yourself to a point where you're confident enough to know when a woman isn't interested and to let her go. Because even if you do get her down the line, if she finally is like, okay, I'll give this guy a date, you've put her on such a high pedestal that she will start expecting things from you, because she's still going to feel like, in most cases, that she can do better. So I just wanted to make this one short and sweet. I think it's a really important topic. Focus on yourself. Focus on leveling up as a man. Focus on finding your purpose. Focus on your goals. Focus on creating positive habits in your life. And the woman that you've always wanted, the woman that you look for, is going to be attracted to you. Because if you're lazy, if you are working at a career that you don't want to be at, she will sense all those things as she gets to know you. And unless she's the exact same person, she's going to leave. If you feel like she's out of your league and she sees all your bad habits, she's going to leave. So focus on you, level up, level up, level up. And I promise you, it doesn't matter if you're short, tall, bald, hairy, the right woman will be attracted in your life. All right, guys, that is it for this one. Short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop the video a like and make sure to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch all of you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.